Hello everyone, welcome to Byte Guardian. Eric here. You know, Linux Mint is refreshing looks and warning you to update. Let's deep dive into it. Linux Mint is changing up its look, revealing some surprising download stats, and, most importantly, warning you to update Firefox before it breaks. Let's dive into all the latest updates from the Mint development team. The first big change is a redesign of the application menu in the Cinnamon edition of Linux Mint. If you've used Mint before, you'll notice some major visual improvements. Now, the menu has pinned folders on the left side, displayed alongside your favorite apps with actual text labels instead of just icons. Your username and profile picture are also now placed above them. On the right side, you'll still find your full app library, neatly categorized. Another small but significant tweak is that the session buttons used for logging out, restarting, or shutting down have been moved to the bottom right in a horizontal layout instead of a vertical stack. Overall, the redesign looks cleaner, and those rounder corners match Cinnamon's other UI elements better. But remember, this only applies to the Cinnamon edition. No word yet on whether XFCE or Mate will get similar updates. Next up, Linux Mint has revealed some interesting download statistics. Since Mint doesn't collect telemetry from users, the only way to gauge popularity is through ISO download numbers. And here's what they found. Out of over 98,000 downloads, Cinnamon is the clear favorite at 44.8%. XFCE follows with 22.28%. Mate takes 16.95%. LMDE6, the Debian-based edition, surprisingly grabs 9.4%, and Edge rounds things out with 5.8%. That 9.4% for LMDE is surprising. It was originally created as a fallback in case Ubuntu became unstable as a base, so it's interesting to see that many people using it as a primary option. Of course, these are just download numbers. We don't know how many of these installs are actually in use long-term. But if you want to check out the full breakdown, we've got the link to the Mint blog in the description. And now, the most urgent update. If you use Firefox on Linux Mint, you need to update ASAP. A root certificate for Firefox 128 and earlier is set to expire on March 15th. That means if you don't update, Firefox could start breaking in some unexpected ways. Some of the problems you could face include add-ons no longer working, losing access to DRM-protected content. So say goodbye to Spotify web player and other services, and general browsing issues. The fix is simple. Just open the Update Manager and install the latest Firefox update to keep everything running smoothly. Linux Mint continues to refine its experience, but remember, updates aren't just about looks, they're about keeping your system secure and functional. What do you think about the new Cinnamon menu design? And are you surprised by the download stats? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Byte Guardian for more cybersecurity and Linux content. See you in the next one.